It's that motherfucking JLV, I like this beat. What should I talk about? Scandalous ass bitches. I talk about the scandalous ass bitches. Ever since I was young, I had to deal with these hoes. Fucking scandalous ass bitches. Shit I don't even know. It's ALV, Jody Joes are coming public JLV. That's how it is, my nigga, man. I'm start blowing them trees. But anyway, back to the fucking situation at hand. Shit, I never had a plan, but I always been a man. And I always knew something was fucking just destined for me. And it's so hard, man. Shit, sometimes it's harder to see from all this chronic ass weed and from these clouds and these trees that I be blowing every day. Shit, it's hard to just be, but shit, fuck these hoes. I ain't never no trusting the girls since back in the past, man. They been in my world, always scheming, man. Shit, fucking demons and shit in my motherfucking brain. I don't know what's gonna quit. It's JLV, man. Shit, I don't think I'm the shit, but I don't think a fucking bitch could ever take my grip, even though they fucking doing it every day. Got 4 cases of child support, but nigga, anyway, shit, I'm still on the better days, on the better things. Shit, I hope to fucking blow, nigga, one fucking day, but I don't care, man. Shit, they fucking laugh at me. Scandalous bitches say I ain't shit, but it don't matter, G. Want me to be, don't be the father, but I don't even care. That's how it is, my nigga, man. These hoes don't care. They use a kid for a come up, man, just a paper chase to the kid as a lick, man. Hoes fucking hate, and I don't know how to debate against these bras, fucking child support people and these motherfucking laws, because they don't see my side and they don't see the man's side. And it's so hard, man. Shit, even harder to hide. I can't hide from the law, so I just keep on moving and keep doing what I'm motherfucking supposed to be doing and try to pay all my money. Shit, I don't even get a check, but it's so hard, man. Shit, I still try to rate and still try to represent, be a motherfucking man with a motherfucking plan, with no fucking helping hand. Ain't nobody over me, it'll be a helping hand over round of applause, man. Like I'm proud of you, man. That's how it is, man. Shit, I'm in the land of the heartless. We're so hard, man. Shit, and I don't know where to start. Shit, I keep on moving, man. Shit, keep jumping like a hurdle. That's how it is. Everybody, man, hoes with a girdle. They fake as hell, man. They don't look like that. They a motherfucking hoe trying to get up the cat. Once the plant, I see them facts so they can come up off us. And it's so hard, man. Shit, I feel so out of touch by these motherfucking sluts. They got me where I don't feel love. Well, I never love a bitch ever again. Hell, I would. That's what I meant to say, man. Shit, I'm smoking the J. Shit, every fucking day. Shit, just to maintain. I gotta drink this fucking drink. Shit, from going insane. And every day, man, shit, it be the fucking same thing. Shit, child support letter this, child support letter that. I don't know when I'm gonna pay all this shit back. Shit, all these motherfuckers trying to get me dog. If they lock me up, how am I gonna pay fucking y'all? But it's over every y'all, man. Shit, I just keep on moving and keep doing my motherfucking gangsta ass music and keep speaking the truth and everything that I say. It might be a rough draft, but you feel what I say. It'll be like anyway, man. Shit, let me live today. Let me make my money, man. Shit is hard to stay in one fucking place. Just on this paper chase every day, constant grind. Shit, it's like a fucking race, and I can't stop. Keep moving, keep jumping these hurdles. And it's so hard, man. Shit, these niggas moving like turtles, but I keep moving like a rabbit. Shit, I gotta fucking have it. I need this fucking money, man. I need this fucking cabbage. If I don't, man, shit, might as well gon' die. Might as well fucking jump off a cliff and be high every day. Gotta fly, man, until I fucking sky. Nigga, reach for the stars, nigga. That's how I fucking ride till I die, man. Shit, that's till I die. That's till I'm 6 feet deep under the motherfucking street. That's 365. That's like 24/7. That's like every fucking day till the day I go to heaven. Till I holla at Devin. Shit, and hit these hoes that I'm belly. All these hoes around me, shit, I keep on selling. I'm a motherfucking dream, if you know what I mean. I'm trying to get something out that bitch, if you know what I mean. And shit, ain't no bitch ever gonna be a part of my team. Never again, man, shit. All I gonna fucking feed, bro, is that fucking greed. If you know what I mean, that's how it is, man. Shit, you know, I be clean every time I step in the place, nigga, step in the party. I ain't gonna show up for child support case, you know, it be hard at me. I mean, fucking court, that's what I meant to say. Fuck court, man, shit. It's till the day that I'm dead, and that's for as a kid. I need a paternity test. Fuck that bitch, man, shit, because she ain't getting no checks. So that's the fucking government fucking force me to do that. And even if they do that, how they know I'm gonna pay that? I'ma live illegal, man. Shit, just keep on hustling, keep hitting licks, man. Shit, just keep on busting these fucking bitches, man. Shit, I ain't no busting fucking baby. I'm a motherfucking fool. These hoes, they call me crazy. Shit, I fall from lazy. Shit, I stay fucking grinding. I hardly ever sleep, man. It's like all the time. And so my soul, I'm trying to find shit by myself, trying to find my soul, man, trying to find some help and shit, find my wealth until my motherfucking death.